everybody, this is Alex Voss, your professor at TVE course, and I'm excited to bring a new television series called Kids Math. Kids Math is there to help you and your child learn more about mathematics in a step-by-step, easy way that emphasizes the relationship of numbers, how they are related to each other, and how it's easy to learn numbers and math when you understand the relationship, with an emphasis on doing things with your hands, making grids and charts and graphs to help your kids learn and understand numbers and their relationship to each other. So I'm excited to bring you the second course in this series, basically covering counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and overview. We're going to cover these topics independently in separate courses, but this course is an overview of these topics. We're going to go into an overview of counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Numbers are added together to find their sum. The plus symbol indicates addition. But what I really want you to try and remember in this is sum means addition. 1 plus 1 equals 2. A number added to another number is going to produce a sum. So always remember, when you hear that word sum, S-U-M, that means addition. Okay? So just put that in your mind when we're doing an overview here. I know you're just getting started in mathematics, and this may seem real simple, but this is for kids. And you'd be amazed at how many people get, on up in their high school and so forth, and when you say sum, they don't naturally relate it to the term addition. So when you see that plus sign, when you hear addition, when you hear the word sum, you know that means addition. Now, the opposite of addition would be subtraction. Numbers are subtracted to find their difference. So whenever you hear the term difference in mathematics, and you see the little symbol here that's the minus sign, like this here, you know that means subtraction. So 2, the number 2 minus the number 1 would make an answer which is equal to the difference, which is 1. So when you hear the term difference, that tells you that you are dealing with subtraction. So make it a point to remember difference and subtraction, and look at these symbols. That's a symbol for subtraction. I may be really simple here, but this is for kids just starting in mathematics. But even so, a lot of people that get a lot older, they don't understand when they hear the word difference, that means subtraction. Continuing on in the overview of counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to learn the terms of these functions, numbers are multiplied to find their product. Okay? Now, the symbol X, or the asterisk here, means multiplication. And so a number times another number is going to produce a product. In this case, 2 times 2 equals 4. Remember, when you hear in mathematics the term product, it means multiplication. So you understand that term means multiplication. It is, and then difference means subtraction, and sum means addition. So get these words and these operations, which in this case you're doing a multiplication, in line with that word. If someone says find the product of 5 and 5, not 5 plus 5, but 5 and 5, you would need to do that, right? And it would be 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. And so make sure that you understand when I use the word product, I'm asking you to do a multiplication. Continuing along with the overview of counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Numbers are divided to find their quotient. This symbol here, or this symbol here, represents division. But the answer to a division problem is a quotient. So whenever you hear quotient, remember that relates to division. So if I ask you to find a quotient of 2 divided by 1, then you would find the answer 2. because I'm asking you to do a division problem, and 1 goes into 2 times, and the answer is 2. So remember, quotient is division, and this symbol represent division. And I want you to come out of this being real familiar with the terms quotient for division, product for multiplication, and then difference for subtraction, and then sum for addition. Those terms, you need to be very familiar with them. Now, it is the end of class 2, and I want to give you an assignment for the next class. The assignment is to draw a line connecting the like terms. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we have product, difference, sum, and quotient. And so I want you to draw a line from the one on the left-hand side to the one on the right-hand side to identify the terms that are related. Okay? And remember, your days are numbered, so you want to make the very most out of every day that you have.